we have a storm rolling in with lots of lightning. Excited about this one. Currently upstairs. I'm gonna get a better shot. You heard that? Beautiful thunder? To my west. Interesting looking clouds you can see right there. There. Look how interesting those look. It's very cool. It's slightly green over there. Like you can't tell on camera, but over there it's near that brighter spot. It's slightly green. We are now entering the storm. You can see right there, like that's the edge of the storm right there. We're entering it. It's such a beautiful storm. We're about to get hit by the rain. We're about to see some rain. Look at all that scud. The scud cloud right there. It's beautiful. Yep, there's the rain. Let's look down. Yeah, the rain's come. Oh, that's windy. Ooh, look at the wind pick up. See the wind pick up? The rain is coming down now. Holy crap, dude. That is some intense rain. Oh my god. Dude, holy crap. It's sideways already. That's some sideways rain already. Woo. Holy crap, dude. That came out of nowhere. Look at the trees at the top. See how windy it's getting? Ooh, you can almost hear the rain smacking against the house. You can see that. Ooh, look at that. Trees are moving. Them trees are moving. Holy crap, you can see the sheets of rain coming down. It is very windy. Look at that. Dude, it's windy. You can see the sheets of rain coming. Sideways rain. Well, not sideways. More like diagonal, but yeah. And it is windy. It's ridiculous. It's like a hurricane out. Oh my god, you can see the sheets on camera. Look out there. Look at that. Look at them sheets coming down, dude. It is very windy outside. Wow. Holy shit. Dude, these wind gusts are intense. Oh my god, dude. It's like a mini derecho. No, I'm kidding. Derechos are obviously way more powerful. The lightning bolt, but we're gonna have a loud one here. It's gonna be loud. The wind is dude, the wind is picking up. Look at them sheets of rain. That is ridiculous. Dude, that rain is ridiculous. The wind is insane. Let me go to the other side just to get a better view, maybe. Walking into my parents' room. Should possibly be able to get an even better view. You can hear the rain. Holy. You can see the rain smacking against that. That's beautiful. Look at that. And there's some heavy rain. That rain is heavy. And I just looked at radar scope. The wind is also extremely heavy. The wind seems to have died down a slight bit, but obviously it's still relentless. Look at the ground. Well, ooh, there's the lightning. Supposedly lightning struck like right over there, which was one of the louder ones, so it makes sense. Apparently it struck like right over there, which is pretty cool. There's some more lightning. The rain has let down a lot, actually. It's less windy too. It was very windy at the beginning, but it's gotten way better since then. The rain is not sideways anymore. It's just now lightning and thunder is the main threat right now. Rain and the wind has decided to come back, so now it's windy and rainy again. It's not too bad though. Can't even really see it on camera. Let's go back to the other side real quick. This was a little small cell. It wasn't anything serious. Just a lot of very windy. Yeah, the rain is back. Well, not the rain. The rain has always been here, but the windiness and the heavy rain is back. Let's take a look. It's not too severe. You can't see the sheets anymore, which is good. We're back now. It's actually extremely beautiful because you can see the heavy rain part and windy part of the storm over there, and then over here you can see it slowly changes. You can actually see the sun. It's beautiful. Look at the clouds. Those are so pretty. There is still lightning and thunder though. That's okay. Oh, that's cool. You can actually see the storm. Ooh, Jesus. The wind just picked up again. Oof. Let's look down. If I can get the camera over there. Look down. You can see all that rain down there. Yeah. It's crazy. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's really cool. You can actually see over there. That's pretty cool. Ooh. That lightning. That came from behind us. I want lightning to strike my house. That'd be beautiful. There's actually looks to be a rotation south of us, which is, well, not south, yeah, like south of us, and over here. Let me go this way. This is my brother's room. Oh yeah, the rain has let up significantly, actually. I guess I was wrong. Yeah, the thunder should be coming from over here. Yeah, I can hear it. It's coming from that way. Coming in. This time it's A little later, it's like 9:30. But we're gonna see the lightning. Look at that lightning. That's some beautiful lightning. I love nighttime lightning. It's so pretty. Ooh. My phone would focus. That is some beautiful lightning, dude. I love nighttime. Ooh. That was close. Yeah, that was close. Y'all, I caught that on camera. Holy. That scared me. Oh, it didn't scare me, it just surprised me. I was not expecting that. These are some close bolts. Dang. I'm gonna go downstairs because I'm not gonna be able to see if the power goes out up here. Ooh, that's another close one. Wait a minute. Yeah, we're gonna head downstairs just so I can see a little better. Bro, these are getting bright. These are getting close. Like, close. I can just tell you that. There was one that got very close to us. Ooh. Man, some of these are close. Like, very close. That's the nasty thunder. That's like the low. That was a terrible impression. I need to stop. I'm mental. You can hear the rain starting to hit the window now. Here comes the rain. Ooh, that's gonna be loud. That was a close one. Dude, it is extremely windy out here, y'all. My power may go out because usually with storms where lightning strikes close to my house, my power goes out. It's like a safety thing. But yeah, the rain is coming down right now. And the lightning is close. Oh my god, that scared me. I accidentally turned on the flash. I'm so sorry. I thought that was lightning. I was like, Jesus Christ. But yeah, it's very windy outside. I can hear it. You can't see anything out there, but you can certainly hear it. You hear the rain smashing against the house outside. It is very windy out here. Holy crap. Oh my god. I wish y'all could see this. It's extremely windy.